Alrighty, today we'll do a Fusion Strike. Everybody's going crazy for this stuff, so I pulled the random singles I had, and then these double packs with Rebel Clash. If you remember the Jirachi Cell Beef Turn 2-pack. We'll get these opened up. Alrighty, got them opened up. And as you can see, you got the pins up top. Jirachi versus Sylvie. Rebel Clash Chilling Rain versus Fusion Strike. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 Rebel Clash, 1 Chilling Rain, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 Fusion Strike. So probably not going to be a fair fight. These ones are kind of hard to pull things, but we'll see what happens. We'll get into it. Start with the Fusion Strike because I got more. Get that out of here. As always, code cards are for you guys. Get that to focus in there. Caterpie, Drover, Shinx, Esklin. I can never say that one either. There's a lot of Pokemon I cannot say. And an Arcanine. Wigglytuff, I like that. How it gives you the alternate art where they're either wool knitted or they're the Play-Doh claymations. I like those ones, they're pretty cool. Kind of brings you a different world to everything. Shelmet, Drillbur again, Bunnelby, Luxray, and Butterfree. There's that knitted look again. We'll get into our first Rebel Clash. See if we can get anything crazy out of here. Trubbish, Applin, Barbaroche, Yunmusk, unfortunate, Phalanx, Kershovel, Hatterene. Go back into the Fusion Strike. Feel free to pause the video. As always, Toxel, Staryu, Sizzipede, Verizon, Garbodor, Marshall, Eldegoss. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 over here, 4 over here. So we'll open up another Fusion Strike. Kaliki, Wooloo, Absol, and a Blissey. Rude Delcatty. We'll go one more. Now that will be truly equal, 4 and 4. Even though it's a mixed bag on Jirachi's side, but hopefully we can get everything situated. Snom, Rookidee, Grubbin, and the Gengar VMAX. Okay. Get rid of that energy. Heatmore, Cook, Morgrim. Get that sleeved up. I want to say the alternate art is what everybody's looking for, but that's still a very nice card. Gengar VMAX. We'll put Grubbin underneath them. We'll open up the 1 Chilling Rain. See if we can get anything worthwhile out of this thing. Mareep, Rockruff, Swirlix, Lapras, okay. Oh, and the Calyrex VMAX, Shadow Rider. Energy, Clara, Hunter, Doctor. Get that sleeved up too. Oof. 2 hitters. Did not expect Chilling Reign to pull that one out. Go back into Fusion Strike. Focus is freaking out right now. Klefki, Shroomish, Choodle, Onyx, Meowth, Jigglypuff, and a Bolton V. Energies, Croconaw, Metapod, Rebel Clash. See if Rebel Clash can keep up with Chillin' Reign there. Magikarp, Applin, Roly-Poly, Phantom, Snorlax. Oof. Morpeko, Skuntank, Nugget. Oh, forgot to give you guys the code card. Go back to Fusion. See if Fusion can pull out another big one. Maybe take it home, maybe not, I don't know. Meow, Tynamo, Morpeko, Rotom, for Alligator. Go back to Rebel Clash. See if Rebel Clash can, like I said, keep up with Chilling Reign. Is not looking good at the moment. See what happens there. Lidwick. Capture Energy. And a Luxray. Alright, we got Fusion Strike. Next contestant. See if they can pull out something big. Corvisquire. Orcario. Beware. Zora. We'll go with Fusion Strike. Get it off the table. Maybe Rebel Clash can bring itself together and get a one last hurrah. Chansey, Totodile, Latias. Alright, Rebel Clash. Last chance. Let's see what you can muster up. Gonna be a tie score, or are you gonna pull it out for the Jirachi team? Shinx, Growlithe, Magmortar. You were not able to pull it out, so I think it's a tie between the Calyrex and the Gengar. Feel free to let me know. Who do you think won? The unfair advantage of the stack of Fusion Strike, or the split team over here with Chilling Reign and Rebel Clash?